I think above all, where we can actually leapfrog again is that if we start investing in the next level of technologies which are required in this country and many part of the world, we need manufacturing in this country. We all know why we were not having it. You have to appreciate one fact here that China has not only consolidated their manufacturing, they have also enhanced immensely their manufacturing capabilities. Now, today, what China produces more than what the world needs to. They have reached that level. But the most important fact, which we should also appreciate, is how quickly they are also changing the technology and in the way advancing that technologies too. So their investment in technologies today, especially in the solar sector, is what bringing the next level of technologies at a much lower cost than what it used to be 3 years back or 5 years back. So you have to appreciate and learn from what is happening good around us. And now, if we need to, first of all, replicate the same model in this country or try to beat them as an exporter in the third countries, we have to be also very conscious of these facts of life that the volume matters, your investments in R&D and technology matters. And I think above all, where we can actually leapfrog again is that if we start investing in the next level of technologies which are required in this country and many part of the world, let me put an example of rooftops. We don't need these panels for rooftop. We can have much lighter panels, and there are technologies available to bring that lighter panels, foldable panels, as we speak about it. There are lots of other things which we can do on this. So I think first of all, to enhance the manufacturing capabilities in this country, it is important that we ring fence first the manufacturing. Unlike, since I wear many hats, when we go for an investment in any solar project or opportunities which come, it's a one-time transaction which we do. We bid, we win, we execute, and then for next 25 years we have a return on our investments which give a ROI. In manufacturing, you have to stay there for 25 years, and you have to keep on investing, especially in this particular manufacturing of panels or cells as it comes across. I think the challenge which we will face again here is, while we are going to ring fence the cell and module, the raw material for cell, which is wafers in the current form, and the raw material for wafers, which is ingots, it still has to be imported. So what we are doing out here is we are creating infrastructure for, if I can use that word, tolling, or a conversion from a wafers to a panel. Now that itself is a great source of generation of employment, a great source of supporting high quality products for the country for which it is required, because we guarantee it for 25 years. But having said that, if we are not doing this upstream integration and are leaving that particular part out from the whole game, we will not be doing a great job, because then the variability on those prices will impact our product pricing per se, at least in the international market. The second part, which is also very important, is which we should learn from that country too. There is no harm in learning what is happening good around in this world, is the way they have developed those ancillaries, and how quickly and the scale at which they have developed those ancillaries. And the third part is how the infrastructure has also been developed to reduce the cost of logistics, which is also very important factor, especially for the products which we are talking about. If you look at their logistics cost compared to our logistics cost, there is also an element, big gap out there. There is also an element which Hitesh Bhai mentioned, is the cost of power, which is very critical for our manufacturing, especially when you go to the cell side, or if we are going for the integration towards the wafer manufacturing or ingots manufacturing. The current level of industrial tariff which are there for us, if we compare apple to apple comparison, then our competitors are at a much lower level out there.